In this video, I will show you how to write this RHO symbol. So you want to write this symbol RHO in Microsoft Excel. So very simple way. Insert then equation, and once you click on equation, so here select basic math. Already as a default it will be selected, but in case here is the another selected, so select this basic math and here select this RHO. And another way, just press slash and type RHO and press spacebar one time. Using this method, you can write any symbol like beta, delta, gamma, mu, pi. So we can see we can write any symbol using this equation method. Also, you can select these symbols manually, like this one alpha, beta, gamma, or delta, and this one is the theta. So thanks for watching.